You have a fish? You shut the door. Where's your pants? What is that? What is it? Can you say fish? Asher, can you say green? Can you say gold? Can you say gold? Gold? Gold. 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 Can you say hi? Can you say bye? Can you wave? Bye. Yeah, good job. You trying to get in there? Need help? Oh, good job.